So, what's up, everyone? So, this is basically a test video, and you may have figured it out from the title itself that this is going to be a reaction video. And the reason for that is that I have realized that I have a problem when it comes to speaking in front of a camera. Yes, and that is a very sorry acceptance of defeat, but what can I do? I mean, I am not exactly very comfortable with speaking in front of a camera, and I believe that there were only two ways I was going to get over it. The first one was that I start vlogging, but in order to make a good vlog I would need like a highly professional setup, or I would need to edit a lot, even if I'm using my OnePlus. But the second option was that I start making reaction videos. So this is basically a reaction video, and I've chosen this one song to react to. So this is just like a test. And another one of my problems, which a lot of you have pointed out, is that I have this very bad habit of speaking very softly, and I speak very fast. So that is a problem to a lot of people out there, because they are not able to catch up if there are no captions present, right? So I am trying to clarify my speech in order to remove the necessity of captions for you to follow along with me. So this is a song, it's called Teri Tasveer, and it's by this one beautiful Pakistani band known as Bayan. No, just because I am choosing to react to a Pakistani band does not make me anti-national. Thank you. And one more reason I decided to actually, uh, react to this video in particular was that, we have people who watch very stupid reactions to meaningless stuff. So why will you not watch a reaction to, let's just say, the music of a good band, right? Okay, so I just realized that I have basically betrayed the rule number one of internet community, and that is to never disrespect the viewers. And I may have disrespected the viewers back there, so that tells you a lot where this channel is going in the coming few years. We'll see to that. All right, let's just quit talking and do some walking. Yeah, the medley in this song is just amazing. It's out of this world.
फिर बनाकर रंग भरूं हर पल को तेरी जागीर करूं नींदों के बिना रातें मेरी
One thing I've noticed in these Pakistani songs is that they are so soulful that they're going to make you miss moments which you have never lived in the first place. Like, this is reminding me of a road trip which I have never taken in my entire life. How are they doing that? I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. But this is making me miss a road trip. And on the second end, I feel like this guy is talking about God in particular and not about his lover, and hence the lyrics. You know.
पैरों की तेरे जंजीर करूं
So you see that build up right there. You know that the song is about to hit a climax and it's about to go down, but the beauty with which they're rising, they're raising the whole tempo. Uh, I don't usually enjoy very slow songs, but this is one of the few songs which I enjoy, even though it's extremely slow for somebody who listens to a lot of rap music like me. It's not my type, it's not my taste at all, but I actually enjoy this here.
रास्ता कौन सा जो चुनूं तो ले जाएगा, उस नगर उस जगह जहाँ यार है जा।
Whoever says that you cannot use electric guitar in a soulful way, they should probably listen to this. Like, these guys are using all the modern instruments, the ones which are, uh, you know, they get the most hate for being unsoulful and, for being extremely unnecessarily loud. But these guys, they just make the best out of it. They're magicians at this, man. And this was an amazing song. And if you have got more songs like this, please send them to me, or just hit those names down in the comment section. And while you're hitting up those names, please make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button as well. And you'll see more of these experiments. And I know I'm not perfect at all, and I may have messed up big time in this whole process somehow. This was I don't have a fancy setup. I'm literally using my laptop's webcam, which are infamously of lower resolution. I do have my mobile phone, but I did not know how to edit the video properly and make an overlay. So I'm just using Bandicam right now. And it's not exactly very easy for me. It's a huge shift for me. I'm more of a person you come to when it comes to studying, or talking about ideas. I'm not that much of a tech savvy person. I know a few basic things, but I'm willing to learn. And if you guys are going to critique this video, at least give me some positive critiques so that I can actually inculcate it in my videos. And obviously, these videos are going to get better with time. And I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.